Hey everyone, today I'll show you what to do if you're denied access to Windows 11. First, we need to find out our device name. Go to Windows Settings, click on System. Here's my name. My computer is called Desktop T029VM. Next, find the file you can't access. Let's say it's this folder. Click its properties. Click Security, then Advanced, then Change, and enter your PC name. I've got desktop here, so I'll click OK. It's already added for me. Then click OK. In this tab, check all the boxes. Click Edit. Now add all the needed checkboxes. You can also add your PC name and give it all permissions too. That's it, this was your name. See you later.